Xinemax Early Bird V3 Review. Does it really rank YouTube videos fast? What if I told you there's a tool that can help you rank your videos on YouTube fast without spending thousands on ads? That's exactly what Early Bird V3 by Xinemax claims to do. But does it really work? In this detailed review, I'll break down everything: features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your investment. Stick around. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews. What is Early Bird V3? Early Bird V3 is a cloud-based software designed to help YouTubers, marketers, and content creators rank their videos quickly by leveraging AI-powered engagement signals. It's the upgraded version of the popular Early Bird tool, now with more features to boost views, likes, and comments organically. Key features: AI-powered engagement simulates real user behavior to rank videos one click. Ranking, no technical skills needed, works for any niche: gaming, reviews, tutorials, etc. Safe and YouTube compliant, avoids bot-like activity, fast results. Some users report ranking in 24 to 48 hours. How does Early Bird V3 work? Early Bird V3 works by sending high-retention fake traffic to your videos, tricking YouTube's algorithm into thinking your content is going viral. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter your video URL. Paste your YouTube link into the dashboard. Step 2. Customize settings. Choose watch time, likes, comments, and more. Step 3. Activate and rank. Let the AI do its magic. Important: Early Bird V3 is not a bot. It mimics real human behavior, making it safer than black hat methods. Benefits and results: many users report $50 300% increase in views, higher CTR, click-through rate. Faster ranking on suggested videos. Testimonial: I ranked a brand new video in 2 days with Early Bird V3. No ads, no hassle. Username, pricing, and deal. Right now, Early Bird V3 has a limited time discount. Here's the breakdown. Front end, $17.17.27. Basic access OTO, $1.47. Pro features, unlocks more traffic, OTO, $2.67. Agency license, sell as a service. The price is going up soon, so if you're interested, grab it now. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to use, no tech skills. Works fast, results in 24-48 hours. Safe and undetectable. One-time payment, no monthly fees. Cons: needs consistent use for best results, limited traffic in the basic version. Upgrade recommended should you buy it. If you're struggling to get views or want to rank videos faster without running ads, Early Bird V3 is a solid choice. It's affordable, effective, and safe when used correctly. Worth it for new YouTubers, affiliate marketers, local businesses. Not for those expecting 100% passive results. You still need good content. Want to try Early Bird V3? Click the link in the description to get the best deal. Have you used Early Bird before? Let me know in the comments. If this review helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. Pro tip: combine Early Bird V3 with SEO-optimized titles and thumbnails for maximum results.